Why does your scanner show the P0750 engine code? What does it mean? P0750 is a diagnostic trouble code for Shift Solenoid A. This engine code indicates that this means the PCM is not detecting the expected RPM change when the transmission should shift from first to second gear. Essentially, the transmission might not shift out of first gear or may shift harshly. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Transmission fluid issues, shift solenoid problems, valve body issues, other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Chrysler, Ford, Dodge, Hyundai, Toyota, and others. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.